Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. So in this video we will discuss what is teichoic acid. Student, I hope you all have idea about the cell wall of the bacteria. The cell wall of bacteria is a rigid layer present around them, right? Like suppose this is a bacteria, suppose, and this is the cell membrane or plasma membrane of the bacteria, and then there is one space around this plasma membrane, is called periplasmic space actually, and then outside there is one rigid wall. That rigid wall is called cell wall. This major content of this cell wall is peptidoglycan. But many of the gram positive bacteria, another molecule present, that's called teichoic acid. This teichoic acid structure we will see in detail in this video. Fine. Now this periplasmic space is space present between cell wall and plasma membrane. Now actually two type of teichoic acid is possible. One teichoic acid which is called wall teichoic acid. This wall teichoic acid present in the cell wall of the bacteria only. Cell wall of the bacteria have peptidoglycan, and you all know the peptidoglycan is formed by N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. If it teichoic acid is wall teichoic acid, the wall teichoic acid is actually linked, it will be present in the linked form with the n-acetyl muramic acid. Fine, it will be linked with the n-acetyl muramic acid. But if it is lipoteichoic acid, this lipoteichoic acid will be linked with the lipid present in the plasma membrane of the cell, right? So this wall teichoic acid will be present only in the cell wall, and lipoteichoic acid will start from the cell wall, and it is going to extend till the cell membrane. Fine. Now what is let's see the structure of this teichoic acid in detail. This is teichoic acid, you see students. In teichoic acid there will be repeated glycerol or ribitol which is joined by phosphate group. This is phosphate group, and this is one glycerol. You see one glycerol have OH group which is linking here, another glycerol link OH group linking here, and next glycerol OH group is linking here. Glycerol, glycerol is a trihydroxypropane. Yeah, so that have a repeated unit, and which two units are linked by phosphate group. This is what lipoteichoic acid structure, and it's present only in gram positive bacteria like streptococcus bacteria, and it's absent into the gram negative bacteria. And it will be strongly negatively charged, and as it is strongly negatively charged, so it will attract ions like magnesium ion, sodium ion, calcium ion. They will attract actually. Yeah, they will attract, which will help in transport. Yeah, it will help in transport of the ions, cations across the cell. And then not only that, it will provide somewhere, some kind of flexibility will be provided to the cell wall of the bacteria. So what is function of this function of this teichoic acid? This teichoic acid provide rigidity, I mean not rigidity exactly. In the rigidity, whatever limited flexibility is present, that will be provided by it, and then it will help in transport of cations. And not only that, it will act of kind of, it's act kind of antigen, and by this antigen only we can differentiate gram positive bacteria, and it participate in cell growth. So teichoic acid is polymer of glycerol or ribitol joined by phosphate group. Remaining we'll see in next video. Bye.